Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and today I am doing an unboxing of a ThredUp Fun Box. And as you may know, a ThredUp Fun Box is a box with items that they could not sell. Either they're an item they just don't sell, like a bra, brand new they send bras, or socks, things like that they don't sell. And you never know, I've heard people have gotten books, keychains, sometimes you get some wild things in there too. But first I wanted to say I got this gorgeous necklace from Misty over at Misty@SkeeterJones.com. Isn't that just so pretty? I love blingy things. I know that's shocking, but and then I'm wearing these. I got these in a jewelry box from ThredUp a while back. So apparently I just want a little bit of bling in my life today. So there we go. All right, fun box coming up. Gonna open it right now. If you're interested in buying anything, send me an email to mystuffstyle@gmail.com. I do invoice via PayPal, but you don't have to have PayPal to pay. You can just have use your credit card or debit card. All right. It's kind of lightweight. It's kind of light. I don't know. So let's just see. It's from Mechanicsburg. They all are now. So there we go. And by the way, couple things. I was going to be doing a thrift haul for tonight's video, but it kind of got away from me. And so I am going to be doing a thrift haul, and I will be selling everything I got in that thrift haul, and you don't want to miss it because there are some amazing items, including a Kenneth J. Lane bracelet and some other really good items, and my pricing will be less than you would pay on my eBay store. Way less, like 40 to 50% less. Okay. You ready? One thing I do have to tell you is I got an amazing purse on that thrift haul, so keep your eyes peeled. All right, let's open this thing up, and I'm going to give you the first look here. Make sure this is, yep, fun box, 10 items. $34 plus shipping and tax, comes to about $50. So you get 10 items for $50. It's about $5 cost per item. There is the first look, and I am loving what I'm seeing. Oh my heavens, please let this be my size. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? Look at this. Oh, look at this thing. It's a bustier. It is a embellished bustier. It's a size medium. Too small for me. I can't even believe how gorgeous this is. Okay, first I'm going to move this because this always, I don't want it to be getting in my way, but oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous. I'm going to see if it might fit me. It is so pretty. Look at that. I can see wearing it with like a sheer shirt over it if you're going to, I don't even know, something kind of racy, I guess. But I mean, look at this thing. It is so cute. Wow. Okay, but it's a US size medium. I don't know if there's a brand on it or not. It's 12% spandex, so it is really stretchy. I don't see a brand on it, but it's brand new and it is like the cutest. I can't, these are beads. I mean, these are, this couldn't have been cheap to buy, but that's cute. That's my first item. Yay for that. That is item number 1. All right, what is item number 2? What is this? Sometimes I don't know. Oh, 2 hats. Oh, okay. I am not going to be selling this because I love it. It is a beret. I love berets. Look at that. I just, you know what? I have to be honest. One time I went to France. When I was in college, I dated a French guy, and I went to France, and I wore a beret, and he goes, "The French don't wear berets." I'm like, well, I'm not French, so that's perfect for me. And so I wore it, and he was so embarrassed. I still chuckle when I think about that, because, French people are so concerned about how they look. Anyway, I love this beret, and I'm keeping that, so that is not for sale. But here is a fleece hat. It's kind of a bucket hat. And it's black fleece. Looks new. I don't see any wear to it. I don't know what size it is, but this is what it looks like. And yeah, I don't know. I might keep that too. I like hats. I like a lot of hat choices because, it is below 0 here today. By the way, it's below 0. All right. Now what is this? The Everyday Brief Ruby size extra small. Underwear meets self-care. Underdays. Don't know what that is. Theunderdays.com. It's sealed shut, therefore I'm not going to open it. It's a size extra small. Hopefully I will research and understand what the heck it is by the time I post this video. All right. Next, oh, we've got the glasses. We've got some sunglasses here. I haven't gotten sunglasses in one of these in quite a while. I think they're unbranded. They usually are. They've got kind of a greenish, they've got like a brownish tortoise kind of look to them. Kind of like aviators. I don't even know. But anyway, just kind of, here, I'll try them on for you. There we go. Yeah, they're okay. If you need some sunglasses, get you a good deal on them, right? So there we go. Okay. All right, what is this? What in the world is this? This is cute. I'm getting so many cute things. I'm really not sure I'm going to be able to. This is a pin. Look at how cute that is. That is a pin. I can't part with that. That is so cute. Isn't that? I'm not a big pin wearer, but if you put this on this, now that would be cute, wouldn't it? That's really cute. Wow, I love that. It's got feathers, it's got some glass beads and faux pearls, and I love it. I love it. Okay, well that is the pin. Kind of happy. Kind of happy. What is this now? You never know. That's what I love about fun boxes. You just never know what you're gonna get. All right, we've got this headband. It's a gold lame. It looks brand new. I don't think it's leather. It's just kind of like a leatherish look. I don't see any branding on it, but it looks brand new. And it's got a twist on top like that. So, I don't wear headbands. My head probably isn't the right shape for them, but that is really, really cute. And then this is a Madewell hair clippy. It looks like a seashell kind of thing. That's really cute. So both the gold things were in one bag together. Yeah, all right. Both are for sale. So there we go. All right. All right. This is unfortunate. Someone tore off part of the tag, and you can see why that's kind of unfortunate. But anyway, assets. High waist shaping short. Okay, those, I believe it's the Spanx version that is in department stores like Target. So size 4 is 5'4" to 6'10", 880 pounds to 220 pounds. Those are useful. Those are really useful. And it goes all the way up. You can see how far that goes up. It goes all the way. Yeah, those are nice. Really nice. So, all right, those will be for sale. It looks like they're black, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks like they're black in color. Huh. Yeah, black. It says black on the tag too. All right, that's cool. Like getting that. Who doesn't want a little shapewear, right? So, okay, next up is what? Mex, M-E-X-X. This looks like a belt. It looks like a double wrap, like wrap it around twice. It's leather, and the leather's really nice. Like you can kind of see up close. And then Mex, M-E-X-X. This hardware, I don't know exactly what this is. I'm gonna have to look it up. This hardware has a little wear to it, but can you see the name? Mex is the name. I don't know. It's got a really long strap, whatever it is. I don't know if it's a belt. I don't think it is a belt. But I'll put on this. I'll research it and figure out what the heck it is. And there we go. Okay. Oh no, we've got the token Mosiso. Yep, get Mosiso on almost every one of these, and this is no exception. It's a black computer bag. I do believe I have a ruler around here, but where is it? It looks about 15 inches. It's a padded computer bag with a little handle. That's nice, actually. That's really nice. Those really aren't that cheap to buy when you buy them, so that's kind of good. All right. There's only one item left, which is surprising because it felt like I didn't open 10 items. But anyway, we've got this quilted fabric Vera Bradley thing. Oh, it's a pill. It's a pill container. And by the way, I got one of these one time and I threw it away because it looked like it had been used. This one does not look like it has been used. It's in perfect shape. There's no scratches, no wear at all. So it's a Vera Bradley pill case, unused. All right. All right, not the best one I've ever gotten, but definitely not the worst either. There's some things I still have to look up, but we've got the Mosiso padded computer case. We've got the Vera Bradley pill case. We have got the headband and seashell hair clip. We've got the Assets body shapers. We've got the 2 hats. And we've got the sunglasses. And we've got the pin, the cute little pin. And last but not least, the cutest thing I've ever seen in a fun box right here. I'm going to go try that on right when this is over. But probably going to have a price on the screen so somebody can buy this. Who's ever going to buy this is so lucky. It's adorable. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I forgot. We got this thing too. I don't know what it is. But anyway, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. If you're interested in buying, like I said, mysteffstyle@gmail.com.